Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss most important MCQs from fuel technology regarding TS Genco Chemist exam. ఫ్రెండ్స్ స్మాల్ రిక్వెస్ట్, ఈ ఛానల్ మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం కనుక చూస్తున్నట్లయితే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి మరియు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. మీకు ఏ టాపిక్ పైన ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వీడియో కావాలో కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఇక వీడియోలోకి వెళ్తే ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ సాలిడ్ ఫ్యూయల్? ఆప్షన్స్ కోల్, పీట్, ఇథనాల్, కోక్. కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఆప్షన్ సి ethanol. Next question. Which of the following is a gaseous fuel? Options lignite, natural gas, diesel, kerosene. Correct option option B natural gas. Next question. Liquid fuels are generally preferred over solid fuels because options they have higher energy density, they are easier to store, they produce no pollutants, they are easier to transport and handle. Correct option D, they are easier to transport and handle. Next question. Calorific value is defined as options the temperature at which a fuel ignites, the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of a unit quantity of a fuel, the amount of carbon content in a fuel, the efficiency of fuel combustion. Correct option B, the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of a unit quantity of a fuel. Next question. Higher calorific value includes only the heat of combustion, the latent heat of vaporization of water, the energy required to ignite the fuel, none of the above. Correct option B, the latent heat of vaporization of water. Next question. Lower calorific value excludes the heat of combustion, the energy required to ignite the fuel, the latent heat of vaporization of water, the carbon content in the fuel. Correct option C, the latent heat of vaporization of water. Next question. In a bomb calorimeter, the fuel is burned in options an open container, a high pressure container, a vacuum chamber, an insulated chamber. Correct option B, a high pressure container. Next question. The temperature rise in a bomb calorimeter is used to calculate options moisture content, ash content, calorific value, volatile matter. Correct option C, calorific value. Next question. The specific heat capacity of water used in calorimetric calculations is options 2.1 joules per gram degree centigrade, 4.18 joules per gram degree centigrade, 1.0 joules per gram degree centigrade, 3.5 joules per gram degree centigrade. Correct option B, 4.18 joules per gram degree centigrade. Next question. Which type of coal has the highest carbon content? Options lignite, bituminous coal, subbituminous, anthracite. Correct option D, anthracite. Next question. Which coal type is known for its high moisture content? Options anthracite, bituminous, lignite, coke. Correct option C, lignite. Next question. Proximate analysis of coal includes all except moisture content, volatile matter, sulfur content, ash content. Correct option C, sulfur content. Next question. Ultimate analysis of coal determines options volatile matter, fixed carbon, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, and oxygen content, moisture content. Correct option C, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, and oxygen content. Next question. The residue left after complete combustion of coal is options fixed carbon, volatile matter, moisture, ash. Correct option D, ash. Next question. The stoichiometric ratio refers to options the ideal air fuel ratio for complete combustion, the temperature at which combustion occurs, the ratio of volatile matter to fixed carbon, the calorific value of the fuel. Correct option A, the ideal air fuel ratio for complete combustion. Next question. In the combustion equation, CXHY plus bracket open X plus Y by 4 bracket close O2 gives lies X moles of CO2 plus Y by 2 moles of H2O. X and Y represent options the atomic weights of carbon and hydrogen, the molecular weights of carbon and hydrogen, the number of carbon and hydrogen atoms in the fuel molecules, the mass of carbon and hydrogen in the fuel. Correct option C, the number of carbon and hydrogen atoms in the fuel molecules. Next question. For complete combustion, 1 mole of carbon requires how many moles of oxygen? Options zero point 0.5 moles, 1 mole, 1.5 moles, 2 moles. Correct 1 mole. Next question, the air contains approximately what percentage of oxygen by volume? Options 78%, 21%, 5%, 50%. Correct option, option B, 21%. Next question, the primary product of complete combustion of carbon is options carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, methane, soot. Correct option, option B, carbon dioxide. Next question, which of the following is used to calculate the air required for combustion of coal? Options proximate analysis, ultimate analysis, calorific value, moisture content. Correct option, option B, ultimate analysis. Next question. In the combustion of coal, the presence of sulfur deals to the formation of options carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor, methane. Correct option, option B, sulfur dioxide. Next question. If the mass of coal is 100 grams and its fixed carbon content is 60%, the mass of fixed carbon is options 40 grams, 60 grams, 20 grams, 80 grams. Correct option, option B, 60 grams. Next question. The moisture content in coal is determined by options heating the coal to 110 degrees centigrade, burning the coal completely, dissolving coal in water using a calorimeter. Correct option, option A, heating the coal to 110 degrees centigrade. Next question, the calorific value of a fuel is measured in options joules per kilogram, newtons per meter, pascals, watts. Correct option, option A, joules per kilogram. Next question, the presence of which element in coal contributes to its heating value the most? Options hydrogen, sulfur, carbon, nitrogen. Correct option, option C, carbon. The ash content of coal affects options the calorific value negatively, the ease of ignition, the amount of carbon dioxide produced, the moisture content. Correct option, option A, the calorific value negatively. Next question, which analysis helps in determining the environmental impact of coal combustion? Option proximate analysis, ultimate analysis, rank analysis, calorimetric analysis. Correct option, option B, ultimate analysis. Next question, in a bomb calorimeter, the mass of the water used is 2000 grams and the temperature raised is 2 degrees centigrade. If the mass of the fuel burned is 1 gram, the calorific value is options 8360 joules per grams, 4180 joules per grams, 16720 joules per grams, 2090 joules per grams. Correct option, option A, 8360 joules per grams. Next question. The proximate analysis of coal does not include the determination of options fixed carbon, volatile matter, calorific value, ash content. Correct option, option C, calorific value. Next question. The specific heat capacity of the bomb calorimeter container is taken into account too. Options increase the temperature rise, decrease the heat absorbed by water, adjust the calculation for the heat absorbed by the container, maintain constant pressure. Correct option, option C, adjust the calculation for the heat absorbed by the container. Next question, which of the following is a advantage of using liquid fuels compared to solid fuels? Options, higher storage and transportation of risk, lower energy density, higher ash production, more difficult combustion control. Correct option, option A, higher storage and transportation risk. Next question, which component of coal contributes most to pollution when combusted? Options carbon, hydrogen, sulfur, moisture. Correct option, option C, sulfur. Next question, in the context of fuel analysis, fixed carbon refers to options the carbon content that is volatilized during combustion, the residue remaining after volatile matter is driven off, the ash content left after combustion, the hydrogen content in the fuel. Correct option, option B, the residue remaining after volatile matter is driven off. Next question, higher sulfur content in coal leads to the production of options more carbon dioxide, more water vapor, more sulfur dioxide, more methane. Correct option, option C, more sulfur dioxide. Next question, which of the following fuels typically has the highest energy density? Options coal, natural gas, diesel, wood. Correct option, option C, diesel. Next question, in the approximate analysis of coal, the volatile matter is determined by options eating the coal sample in an oxygen rich environment, eating the coal sample in the absence of air, burning the coal sample completely, dissolving the coal sample in water. Correct option, option B, heating the coal sample in the absence of air. Next question, in stoichiometric combustion, what is the main product of hydrogen combustion? Options carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor, methane. Correct option, option C, water vapor. Next question, the calorific value of a fuel is higher when options the fuel has high moisture content, the fuel has high volatile matter, the fuel has high fixed carbon content, The fuel has high hash content. Correct option. Option C. The fuel has high fixed carbon content. Next question. Which method is used to determine the sulfur content in coal? Options: proximate analysis, bomb calorimetry, ultimate analysis, ash analysis. Correct option. Option C. Ultimate analysis. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and like the video.